much life I've left to live, and this fire's burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think I could find the will to stand for every dream and forsake the solid ground and give up this fear within of what would happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you. 'Cause I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender, 'cause every night getting longer and this fire's getting stronger, baby. I swallow my pride. I'll be alive. Can't you hear my call? I surrender. Oh, 'cause surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender.
All right, let us hear from our judges. Conroy.
No, look here. Look here. Hey, it's me must comment, not you. Listen. Now, seriously. I sat there in awe because it was beautiful.
Yes.
It was beautiful to start. Now, you lost it in the middle, and that's why I want to cry. Because by the middle, you kind of lost it, and then I just fell out of it. But it was beautiful to start. Your sense of presence, just who you are, how you sounded, it was nice until you lost it. But you
Alain.
caught it back.
Alain.
Celicea, you are awesome. I think there is a star quality about you that is undeniable. You know, you came in and you just made it a Celicea moment. And everyone was spellbound by you. Your voice was beautiful. You floated and took us. I believe that you surrendered everything. This was your performance. Simia. Right? There was a little slip up where there was a kind of little, there was a timing issue with the change of the key in the song, and it threw you off. But you kept it, you never went off key. Well, kind of a little bit slipping. But you picked it up and you held it together. There is a maturity about your performance that is just second to none. And I was impressed with it. I just wanted you to really knock it out of the park. And because of the little slip up, it was like, choman.
Thank you. Anthony.
Yeah, if you raise the bar so high to start with, you're going to be judged by that. Right. You know, so it has to be, you've got to make it flawless. It wasn't flawless, Alain and Conroy pointed that out, but still, it was largely girl power reasserting itself.
Yeah. All right, thanks, judges.
When you call on me, when I hear you breathe, I get wings to fly. I feel that I'm alive. When you look at me, I can touch the sky. I know that I'm alive. That I'll be the one standing by through good and through trying times. Yeah, 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 yeah. Feelings so deep in my feelings. Always can't read it like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, now I'll never get over you until I started something new. Get me high like you do. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, now I'll never get over you until I started something new. Get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go bad, boot up, baby bad, boot up. Hear my heart go bad, boot up, baby bad. We just won't stop because, oh, how many ways can I tell you I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. Feelings all over my body. You know how I like it. Ain't gonna tell you what to do. Feelings. I'm walking through this valley of tests, and I never get faltered in the wilderness. The power of Jah preserve I, guiding in all I do. So I'm treading through the heights and the depths. So me trample frustration and me conquer stress. The power of Jah preserve I, guiding in all I do. So all evil that means me harm can't go back where they came from. No demonic works perform shall prosper, yeah. I tell you, beyond the science man come, because them can't squeeze the lion palm. No demonic works perform shall prosper. And the more them a aisle up, yeah, the more them business boil up. The power of Jah preserve I and guide in all I do. So all the evil that means me harm can go back where they came from. Oh yeah, preserve I and guide in all I do. So all the evil that means me harm can go back where they came from. No demonic works perform shall prosper, yeah. I tell the beyond the science man come, because them can't squeeze the lion palm. No demonic words perform shall prosper. There's so much life I've left to live, and this fire's burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think I could find the will to stand for every dream and forsake the solid grounds and give up this fear within. For what would happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you? 'Cause I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender, 'cause every night getting longer and this fire's getting stronger, baby. I swallow my pride. Love me alive. Can't you hear my call? I surrender. 'Cause I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. you in my arms and never let go. I surrender.
Hi there, I'm Simon Preston from TVJ. Thank you very much for watching our YouTube channel. To see our latest videos and also to see live events, click here. To see our full videos on onespotmedia.com, click here. Thank you very much for watching.